Hi, we're gonna make soup today. We're gonna make winter melon soup. This is a Chinese winter melon, and like this, you can buy them in the Asian grocery store, and or you can grow them at home too. They are green color, but when they get older, when they get ripe, and they turn white powder on the outside. You see the outside. You see the outside. Yeah, and you can keep that. You can keep that for a long, long time inside the house. So today we're gonna use about that much, about a pound and a half. We're gonna take the skin off. See the inside they're green, and like that. They're real hard. See like that, and they have seed inside. Cut the stem off here. And now we're gonna take off the skin, and you can with the skin on it if you want to wash it and use the skin. That's fine. But I like to take the skin off so easier to eat. So you just cut it like that. Yeah. Okay. Then you cut the inside the seed out. See, they have seed in it. There are little seed in it. Okay. Like that. We're gonna use some the dry black mushroom, and you have to soak them before use it, because they are dry, and now they soak it in water so it gets soft so you can use it. So all you have to do is just cut them slice, cut them slice like that. Like that. Okay, then I'm going to cut a couple pieces of ginger. Just a couple slice. Alright. And that's it. Then we're gonna start cooking the soup. We have the shrimp here, about a little bit more than half a pound. Put a little salt on it. And some white pepper. And that's it. We don't need to put any starch in it. Alright. Okay. Alright, then we put the little oil in it. Okay, then you turn them over. You see the burning up. Alright, and we're gonna put some gingers in it. And little green onion. And you turn up the heat. And after that, we're gonna put the winter melon in. Okay, then we're gonna put the black mushroom in. You can use water or chicken broth for the soup, but I use chicken broth. So you figure out the bowl you're gonna use, and so you measure the broth in the bowl. So you measure it, see how much you need. Okay, so we're gonna dump the soup inside the watermelon. Okay, so we're gonna do this for like 20 minutes up to boiling. Alright, so we come back for it. Okay, this is about 20 minutes, okay? So you check it with a fork. Like you punch in like you punch in like that, you know, they get real soft, you know. That I think it's done. See? They're real soft. Okay, and all we have to do is just put some seasoning in it. So we see we can put some pretty a bit of wine in it. About 1 tablespoon slow cooking wine. Okay, and white pepper, just a little bit. Okay, and also some salt. We'll try that much and see how it goes. Well, we have to try it. I think okay. Then we're gonna add the shrimp in it right now. Okay, then we scoop them up. Oh, and I'm gonna put some green onions in it too. I think we just cook just right, you know. So, oh, okay. And put a little bit of cilantro in it, okay? Alright, this is winter melon soup.